Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nih cara nonton videonya nih. Saya kan gak ada linknya, saya lihat di WA. Nah, link yang ini kan. Nih, daftar nih link yang ini, klik umpamanya. Link yang itu. Nah, kan lihat tuh kan udah masuk kan. Nah, berarti itu udah masuk. Klik aja main di sini. Klik main tuh, kan ada videonya tuh 19,66 US dollar. Nah, diklik video ini. Nah, nanti kan durasinya start waiting video. Nah, klik videonya. Tuh kan jalan kan. Nanti durasinya dia akan berjalan. Tuh 1965 sekon. Sekon kan. Tonton aja terus. Dia akan durasinya mundur. Kalau durasinya udah 0, bisa langsung dapat. Tungguin aja antara 2 menit atau 3 menit atau 4 menit atau 5 menit. Nah, tungguin aja, ini kan durasinya berjalan until the end of video. Tonton aja terus.
And the cons of the Kelly kettle and pros and cons of the Primus gas stove.
Oh, masalahnya 2 menitan ini.
Go on in, Bex. Why do you think that's more superior than this?
So out of the two, I picked the Primus gas stove as
defending the corner.
As I feel the gas stove is much easier to carry, use and work, over the Kelly kettle. One of the reasons is it's much lighter, so when you're going on a trip you don't want to be carrying a bulky Kelly kettle as such.
Why is it bulky?
It's bulkier, isn't it?
Well, this?
Look at the size of it.
Yeah, but you can get the smaller version of this.
Yeah, but we're talking about the Primus and the Kelly kettle scale.
Yeah, but I'm saying they do another model of this, the Trek.
But they do a smaller one of this.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. But the Trek's a lot smaller. It's a little bit bulkier, but I don't think you're gonna. The weight difference isn't great.
But it's bulkier.
Yeah, I'll give you that. It's bulkier.
It's a lot bulkier.
But the weight, there's not a lot of difference in the weight. You've got 500 grams. That's not a full gas bottle.
I think yours is a bit heavier. So this is more compact for when you're putting in your rucksack, and it's much lighter.
It's not a lot lighter. That's 500 grams for that gas canister.
It's lighter.
Is it?
We have to get the scales up.
This comes in just not with the whole unit, but with the base, and that it comes in under 1 kilo, under 1 kilo. So you're a little bit lighter, but not loads.
I'm lighter.